Okay, so we'll be testing the Flamingo Gravimetric Auger filler by weight, and as you can see, our bag is teared. Oh, if we want to tear our bag, which is 0, and we want it or tear, and you want to make sure that the nozzle is not touching this clamp arrangement, because that will affect the weight, as you can see. So, centered now, but if you,
it's touching,
yeah,
like that.
it's at an angle, it's going to be affecting the weight. We just want to make sure that the nozzle is nice and straight.
And we need to clamp with the 2 screws always.
Yep.
One will have angle.
Yep. And
2 will be straight. Yeah.
So you got the 2 bolts so there, and you can always adjust the height and bring that up higher or lower to get that optimal. So.
And also, there's 2 screws holding the load cell. If you loosen them up, we can center the load cell. See, should have always clearance there, and just slide tighten it up. That's it.
Okay, so and again, just tear, zeroed, and we'll come into our speeds. So that's the home page.
It's a home page. When the machine turn on, you'll see the page, and go to gravimetric mode, and see your speed and timing, delays, and you need to press start to start. Okay. So because we're using bigger diameter nozzle, we need to have our main speed, the course speed should be a bit lower, but 10,000 is the optimal speed. If we increase the speed to 30, which is too much, and on a course speed, the machine will fill more than 600 grams within a second.
It's too fast.
It's too fast. So that's why we need to keep the fastest speed or the course speed a bit lower, 10,000 round, and the remaining trickle speed only 1,000. That will just top up to reach 600 grams on the dot. And we have 2 timing here, delay timings here. The first one is clamping delay. When you put the bag in, press foot pedal, the machine will clamp and start after 2 seconds. Alright? And unclamping delay. Once the machine filled 600 grams, after 3 seconds, the machine will open your bag, release your bag. As you can see now here, when you press start button, and press foot pedal, 1, 2, start. And once the weight reaches 600 grams, the machine will stop 1, 2, 3, and close, release the bag. So that's 2 numbers here.
So if we change this to clamp delay to 1 second or 0.5.
0.5, sorry. Yep. So the machine will immediately start without any delay. And after 3 seconds, it will open the bag. Finished. 1, 2, 3, and open the bag. So that's the numbers. If you want quicker open, decrease the number. Reduce the number to 1 second.
And as you can see here, we've got very little inside the hopper, and we're getting 600 grams.
Okay, so now we're gonna set our weight, target weight 600 grams. You need to remember your course speed is 10,000 and your final speed is only 1,000 hertz. So when you hold the function button for 2 seconds, it will show you the set point 1. the machine will
Course
run.
speed.
Machine will run on 10,000 speed until the weight goes to reach 508 gram. So we now left 92 gram. That 92 gram will be run on slow speed. How are we going to change the numbers? Use arrows. Down, up, down arrow. 508 is our target 1. Press OK. Now it's time to set our target weight, which is in total 600 gram. So 600 gram. 600 gram. This is our target. Press OK. The machine will save the 600 gram. 508, 600. Okay. Let's see what we will do. Until 508 gram, machine will run faster. And slowly finish up 608 until 600 gram.
If you really want to hit 604 on the mark, we need to go into the settings. Okay, and go across. And reduce it to 596 because of the air weight, and that's the rate at which the product drops into the bag. It's basically like a compensation. Okay? So now you can see our bag is at 1, or we can tear it, and away we go. Okay, so that's how we set our weights. Thank you for watching.